Number 11. Is it okay to have serous drainage from the pit sides? Yes, that is common. Diba? So, walang problema. Yung number 4 na, before ito,
I wanted to play evade and
and
I wanted to play evade until
sure. Ang mas ayaw natin pag yung mga sa ribs, di ba?
I
Usually,
What's happening to America?
okay? Kasi madali kang extremities. Ma'am, kasi may nagtatasa, this would be due to the pain because of the structure. Diba? Pag may pain, usually pag pressure, hindi ko siya ganito. Kaya naman ito. So, hindi ko ganito pala. Okay? Sige. Ito ganito. Okay? Sige. Tingnan natin. For you, hindi na nila and then let's go during operation participation. Pwede ba maging ng sumali consent?
Shut up! Stop! Yeah! Shut up!
Further says, sige, wag mo na. Keep na yung number 1. Any sedative type of medication has recently been pwede ba ito mo natin magpasign ng consent? Yes, di ba? Kasi kung mga sedative type ng medication ko, na yan. So, pag pinasign mo yan,
They no care.
Number 3, the discussion of alternatives to 2 positions has not occurred. Okay lang kung isang position lang. Walang problema. Hindi naman kailangan ng second or third opinion para makapagpasay ng consent yan. Ha? Kung isang position,
Sama naman. Ay, so,
convince na ang patient mo na doon na tayo, walang problema. Yung number 4, complete history and physical assessment has not been performed in regular. Hindi naman kailangan na kompleto lahat yung makapag-sign ng consent. Lalo lang kung emergency situation tayo. Okay? So, alisin natin yung 3 and 4. Alisin natin yung 3 and 4. Pili kayo sa 1 and 2. Kasi pag tulad yan, invalid yan. Okay? Invalid yung okay? May questions pa. Sagot sa 16 and 17. So, 16 natin. Number 2. Pag gusto maging independent confusion, encourage mo lang sa akin. Tapos, pag sa 17 naman, ang pinakamalala is yung patient natin na may 400 level of active failure. Ang so, 16 is 2 and 17 is 1. Okay? When it comes up to the biology, alright. Tingnan natin yung 19 natin. No problem, Kim. Alright. 19 tayo, the nurse is caring for a client following cholecystectomy with insertion of a T2. Which aspects of care apply to the client with a T2? So let all that apply. Sata tayo here. Sige, something to do with the following insertion ng T-tube natin. Meron din. Okay, number 1. So, may document ang optimal consistency of the drainage. Yes, natin yung number. Ang number 2 natin, you never irrigate a T-tube. Bawal yung annually. Nalagyan natin yung 2. Yung number 3, can I prevent simply canceling of the tubing? Yes, for that. Okay? Alisin natin yun. Yung number 5, can I observe for the return of down common stools? You have to. Okay, mamaya kailangan pa rin malaman kung return to a normal color, like color brown, stool natin. Para masabi ko kung ito ito. Tingnan natin further. Tayo, ha? 1, 3, 5, and 6 tayo. Okay. Ma'am, bakit kailangan kong tignan kung color brown, normal na ulit yung kulay ng stool natin? You eliminate excess. So, this is the get to excess. Di ba alam mo naman natin na yung kasi di ba yung excess na excess natin, kung nakapag-excess tayo sa group, pag-green na inyo pong file. Okay, so dapat color brown para masabing tamang-tama yun. Okay nyo na yung tapos nyo.
Make that the thing stupid monkey. My beats are going to move.
Alright, sige. Copy naman. Alright. Tingnan natin yung number 20. Okay, para lang makita mga anak pala ha, nagtatanong kasi, Mama, kititog ang tawag ko sa'yo, ano siya? Kasi usapan ko siya na. Let it go. So that would be okay, there's may kalusot ano siya.
Lalo ng clinic dito.
Parang sa colostomies nyo din, ha? Colostomy drainage bag. Wala naman siyang specific na name.
Kasi yung ginagamit sa hospital, ngayon.
Oo, improvise. Pag sa NCLEX nyo, ayun, ideal. Meron naman sila mga. Okay? Doon tayo sa number 21. Number 20 natin, the nurse will dominate the cafeteria of the hospital of your students. They are mentioning her name and the personal private details of the condition. Gusto daw area. Okay? Sige, best tayo. So, punta na. Hanap natin. Sorry to see. Music assistance. Talking about the gratitude report. So, ano yung isa-isahin natin. Yung number 1, approach the nursing assistants that their actions are inappropriate, especially in a public place. Is this correct? Yes. No? Pwede yan. Lalo lang mag-divulge sa mga information about the patient. Okay? Number 1. Number 2, move forward to the client. Otherwise, they might be embarrassed. Ang priority natin dito ay yung patient ang na-embarrass, hindi yung dalawang CNTs. Okay? Ang priority is to stop the conversation. Inform tapos makakausap sa boss niya para may pinag-comment tayo. Okay? Huwag kang dediretso dun sa boss nila. Bypassing yun. Diba? Alright. So, do not inform their supervisor. You inform your own supervisor. And then your own supervisor, and your supervisor Number 4. Diba sabi natin negligent act of omission when you do okay, pwede ba rin yung sige, 20, we just go again for number 1 na. Okay? Tignan natin yung number 21. A movie widowed out therapy counselors that inspire preparing for the kids. A community resource for this client is what? Look at this one. Undergoing in a tapos, habang nandito ko sa kapatid. Okay? Pwede tayo para mag-class with meals. So that will be your meal on meals. Mamaya discuss natin. Number 3 yung on meals. For terminations, diba? Dying patients tayo. Basically, so, yeah. Hindi naman sila responsible for the food of the day. Number 4, there's the Okay. Yang kapag sa mobile so with the attitude, diba? Mga teachers, take care sa mga parents natin, what difficult even activities that we do. So, ang kanilang talaga, paano siya ice cream cars sa Amerika, yung pagkakas ice cream ng mga diba? Kapag narating sa impossible for you. So, yung mga hindi yung pagkain na lalabas na sila. Tapos may microwave na lang. Marine, mamaya na natin tingnan ulit yung answer sa 4, 5, and 6 kasi may malayo na tayo. So, mamaya na natin pagkakapos ng class. Okay. Oo nga, Gwen, sayang dito sa wala pa ata. Pero dito sa start mo kasi yung skill. Dito sa start mo. Teka lang din, nanti. So yan na, kaya nakapatwakit. Nakakalis na na. Okay, tapos, iyan mo na lang. Mamicrowave na lang mo yan.
Japan, 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 Japan,
Indian. Okay? So, line yun, schedule use yan. Okay? As necessary. Okay? Look at number 4. I should take one thing that is my thinking.
Unnecessary, it's under
Yes.
the patient.
Yay.
Okay, sige. Okay. Okay. Maganda yung retirement homes natin. Sige nga, let's talk about your retirement. You know, tapos, kailangan mo, iba din naman. Okay. Homes natin sa Africa. Minsan yung mga bungalow yung houses. Yung naman sa plan ko grocery inside the village. So they don't have to go out na. Personal doon. And nakatulog guys, hindi mabilis ang mga sasakyan pag merong bisita.
Dito, may
Kasi mamaya-maya may mga tumatawid ng mga elders o yung mga gold cards. Para sigurado mo lang, hindi na
emotion.
sa Florida. Let's just go again. Tingnan natin 22 minutes. This is number 23 natin. Sabi dito, okay? Tingnan natin. Informing the of the nearest Ileostomy Association natin. Okay. Yung number 1 natin, mga anak, although importante ang Ileostomy Association, ano yung pinaka-important po natin? Di ba? Ano again, joining the associations right away. Okay? Sige. Ito, meron tayo. Okay. Meron mostly based on sila is from nag-retire po. Yung ako lang yung nila government natin. Mauna po sabihin yung mga tourists no? Sa retirement home o kaya doon sa nursing homes. Oo, nakita ko nga marami na nagsupport na. No? Sige, thank you. Um, Number two, kung quantum to contact and assistance is needed, ito ang important mga anak, ha? Pag charge na yan, make sure you get that contact. Kasi may mga call centers na immediately ang inyong hospitality. May yun lang possible. Remember, hindi agad-agad, no? Medyo makakabalik to work kasi meron pa yung issues both physiologically tsaka psychologically because of the body image. So, i-protect yan pa tayo. Very basic. Ang yung irrigate natin yung colossus. Kasi matigas. Okay? Alright. So, back to number 23, we'll just go again for number 2. And number 24 naman. What is the tignan natin. This is a cancer patient. In-advise ng chemo. Kaya lang mag-gusto niya dahil. Ito din yung number 24. Hindi naman sabi niya. Diba? Alright, so ahead. You are making a two herbal treatments are not up to date. With no therapy and weight management symptoms. Okay? Alright. Yung number 3, herbal treatments have not been researched with cancer. It's always been researched with continuous up to now. Alright? Support. Tell me about your apprehensions with chemo. Therapy. Ano, kailangan natin yung response, no? About having sige, 24 you go for 4. Tingnan natin yung 25. While the orange is around, the physician told the LVN to remove the sutures from the incision before the clot is destroyed. The primary response to the physician should be to that time. Okay, your primary response must be positive. Okay? Ang tanong lang natin dito sa 22 is kung pwede bang mag-remove ng sutures ang LV and then. Diba? Alright. The answer is yes, they can remove sutures from it. Okay? So, anong pwede natin yun, ha? Number 1, your poison word is cannot. They can't remove sutures. Alisin natin yung number 1. Number 2, please note down the order and the sutures will be removed. Number 3, we will remove kasi emergency eh. So, nandiyan na si doctor, pasulat mo yung order. Okay? So, yung number 4, the LVN will get ba sila yung magaling sa sulat? Tawag natin dressing queen. Pwede ba silang mag-remove ng sulat? So, 25 will just go again for number 26 of the year-old was diagnosed as having pulmonary. Here's a wish. When the client says, I wish not. Number 26 natin, ha? Diba? Mataas ang uric acid. So you need to flush that out.
Put it
Drink
out.
lots of water. Okay, yung number 1. Yung number 2, report any changes in vision. Wala namang issues about vision ng PCA. Ha? Yung number 3, take the medication 2 hours after each meal. Walk 20 minutes in meals to relax. Yung number 4, extend the toleration of green to 20 years. Ito ay para sa repap kit. Alala natin, repap kit, not for the PCA. Okay? Sige, 26 soldiers go for number 1. Okay? Magbabalik na rin, ha? Hyperuricemia, drink water, PCA. Orange, diba? Reddish orange, urine, sweat, and tears are 26-1. 27, the nurse instructing a newly admitted client to complete an advanced directive was asked by the client why he was asked to complete one. Okay? Advanced directive. Dito na lang mga ideally ulit. Hospital, kailangan again, mabigyan ng chance. This will provide a substitute. It's never a substitute to it. The chance to make an advanced directive. Okay, number 2. Number 3, the physician will make a decision for you in an emergency situation, not at all times. Okay, not at all times. Yung pag sa ER natin. Pero, pag for example, emergency sa, let's say, retirement homes, emergency si Lolo and Lola, meron niyang mga advanced directives, di ba? May mga living wills na yan. Yun na ang susundin natin. Kung nakalagay sa advanced directive ni Lolo at Lola is, di ba? Do not resuscitate na tayo. Okay? Yun ang susundin natin, hindi na yung doctor. Diba? Alright, sige. So, yung number 4, and you are dying. This is answerable by yes or no. At yung mga anak, kung directive mo naman yan, very important naman, issues lang naman, di ba? So, hindi naman agad about that. So, sabi niya, ay, meron na akong advance directive. Actually, gumawa na kami ng lawyer ko. So, just get a copy. No problem. Okay? Tapos, kunyari, sabi niya, mag-physical exam ako. Wala akong mag-physical na gusto kong consent for anything ng advance directive. Make the client sign a waiver na ayaw niyo pang magbigay ng advance directive natin. No problem. If you ask, diba? You ask na lang if they want. If they don't like, it's okay. Make them sign a waiver. If they want naman, sige, diba? Pag advanced directives, or labang hindi pwedeng kasama tayo pag magawa sila ng advanced directives or legal rules. Okay? So, gumagawa siya ng legal rules, so na-influence niya yan. Na-influence niya si Lola. So, parang Doon nagsimulas yan. Isang friend ko, hindi ko na siya pinagtingin. So, nung nag-release siya ng mga bagaan. Wala masyadong inheritance. So, 27 tayo. Okay? Tingnan natin